2-minute tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how you get free sounds from the internet. So first you go on www.soundsnap.com. Then you click login, create a new account, or you could just click register. Once you've registered and accepted and stuff like that, you can sign in. So just let me sign in. From this you get 30 days, which you get 5 sounds overall. Once you use those 5 sounds, you don't get any more. So I've got 5 sounds that I've already downloaded, but I can still show you how to do it. So I just typed in bang, see what happens. Comes up with this. Let me just show you what this sounds like. See? Heard that? And that's how you do it. So then you click on WAV, download, and because I've reached my limit, it'll come up with a menu just like this. But you also come up with a link which you just save to the appropriate file. Thank you, this has been 2-minute tutorials, bye bye.